Hey guys, so it's Jazz again, man. So we have a solution for the guys that can't afford the ceramic coatings. It's called a gold package detail. So over here we have a 1 year of protection and it's a full detail. You get the full detail with the 1 year protection. It's kind of like a trial for getting into the ceramic coating and seeing how good it is. So we're offering a really good deal on these, 25% for all our clients and all of you guys. So if you guys do want that deal, you guys want to make sure that you are protected for at least a year and get that feel of a ceramic coating. We get the decontamination, you get a 1-stage polish, and you get that 1 year ceramic sealant. So if you guys are very interested in this, give us a call at 604-441-4903 and book now. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.